Friends, today I'm back with another Airpods knockoff headphone review. And I'll be talking about the pros and cons today, which you wonder mostly about it. Let's test it. The model is KD10 version 8. It's been sold as being manufactured by TWS. However, there is no sign that it has been manufactured by TWS. But it doesn't matter. The product specifications are like Bluetooth version 5. The frequency range is between 2.4 kHz and 2.5 MHz, which is quite great. We'll test it and see, by the way. The distance is 10 meters. Call time mentioned as 8 hours and standby for 30 days. And the charging time is being sold as 2 hours. Before starting our test, I would like to mention what is in the box. There is a lightning cable and the product itself, the headphone. English and Chinese manual. I forgot to say that the product also has a wireless charging feature, which I won't be able to test. But I assume that it has this feature, otherwise it wouldn't be sold as having a wireless charging feature. The plastic quality looks fine. There are 4 charging LEDs here. It shows the charging level of the box itself. So the product features also an automatic connection pop-up feature, which once you open the cover, it directly connects. There is a small latch between the cover, as you see, which I didn't like, but the rest looks fine. The main difference is they put the microphone a bit lower, which is good. The ones I tested on LK-TE8 were up and the microphone quality was not enough. So they have put it here a bit below, which will take maybe better. And there is a black mark here, which is on Apple AirPods. This used to be a sensor, which senses if it's in the ear or not. But I think this is just a color. So there's no real function on this black dot. And here we have 2 holes, which are for the headphone quality, I believe. And we have the exact similar charging ports here, connectors. What else I can tell is that this has also a touch feature. So once you touch it, you pause the song. If you double touch, you skip one song. So that's the main features. The product has an automatic case opening detection. As you see, it connects once you open it. This feature is available only on iPhones, unfortunately. On Android, you don't see this animation. However, it automatically connects. So the brand is V8, and you can see the charging level of the headphones and also the box itself, which is great. Guys, for me the most important thing is the headphone, microphone and speaker quality. These headphones have a real amazing high and low frequency range. I really like them. So what I mean is I've tested them both. Unfortunately, I cannot make you listen to the sound quality because I don't have the equipments to record them right now. But I can compare it with the original Apple wired headphones, and when compared with those, these are much better in meaning of high and low frequencies. There is a real bass. You hear the bass really in a good way. So I really like them. And it once comes to the microphone quality, when you put them into your ear, the problem was always, it was taking the surrounding noise and it was not so much clear as the original AirPods were taking. So I've tested this, and during this test right now you will be listening my recording through the microphone. Right now I'm testing the microphone of the headphone. It is stuck in my ear, and this is the sound quality. The frequency is 8 kHz and 32 kilobits. Yes, as you heard, the call recording quality is not bad. The person understands you and it's clear. However, the frequency level is a bit less than the original microphone. However, you can still use it. You can talk with these headphones. So I'm happy. Now, this is another good feature. Let's talk about some bad features, which is again the talking assistance. Like when the battery is low, you hear the lady shouting into your ears. Unfortunately, I was expecting to hear some bips, like some tones. However, they preferred to have the lady speaking, telling you that the battery is low. So I really annoy from those sounds. But again, there's nothing to do about it. During connection, you see the red light blinking, but luckily it doesn't continue. Once it's connected, you won't see the blinking LEDs on the headphones, which were again annoying on the previous versions. So another good thing is that it supports a huge range, like 10 meters. So the distance and range is quite long. I tested and I went 10 meters far and it was still connected to the phone, which is good. And the battery during listening music took around 2 hours and 20 minutes. But of course, it changed to the volume level you listen. I was listening in a moderate sound level, which is in like 80%. So it took, as I said, 2 hours, 20 minutes. And the charging time is 1 hour, 30 minutes. So as a wrap up, I would say that I recommend these headphones as a cheap alternative of AirPods. Okay, there is no sensors, but the speaker quality, the microphone quality, and overall stable connection is quite good. So it costs around between 20 to 25 euro, and you can find it on several internet sites. And as a comparison, on the right side we have the LK-TE8 and here the KD10. So the main difference here is the thickness of the below part. As you see, the LK-TE8 is a bit thinner. However, it doesn't make so much difference for me, and they're a bit longer, as you see. But again, as I said, the quality, sound of quality is much important for me, so I would prefer still the KD10. Friends, that's all for today. Before closing my video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Keep in touch. Peace.